welcome back to another video. I have a box here, and this is from Coach. Now, your girl just saw this online, and I went to the outlet, and I'll insert a video clip of the little charm that I saw, and I don't know what I was thinking when I went, but I didn't get it, and so I wish I had a and but anyway, so I looked online, and I'm sure it was an easier way to open this, but your girl didn't figure it out. Oh, look at that. It's oh my gosh. Okay, you guys, I was interrupted. Oh, look, this has a little dust bag. Oh, isn't that cute? Look at the tie. Oh, isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, your girl went crazy. Oh, look at this. Oh, does this work? It's gotta work. Is it something? Is it? Oh, it's not twist. It's just a snap. I'll be cracking myself up. Look, you see, it doesn't twist. It just snaps. Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so cute, right? Oh, I don't know what I could put in here. I was thinking of my car keys. So, now I can't snap it. Okay, here we go. What you guys think of this? It's cute. It's really cute. I'm not sure what I think about it yet. It's cute though. All right, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next unboxing. Peace out.